Yeah, good day, my wonderful people of Biafra, the lovers of freedom all over the continent. I greet you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching me from. I greet all of you. This is AKA Untold the Yahoo. I am alive today to make this broadcast clear to the hearer of my people all over the world. To make my people to understand this, I come up today, being Thursday, 31st July 2025, to express this incident and to make my people to understand the truthful it is. And I have come up today to debunk all these things once and for all. And I believe I cannot speak on this anymore. I am taking this my word directly to the people of Ala Igbo. Let them hear this and hear it clearly and understand it very well. The incident that happens in Ala Igbo, it does not concern me. I don't know anything about it. But since it have come to a point that voice I gave to my boy being Angel Makeup since last 2 years, now that this incident has happened, the people have gone and revoked the voice and bring the voice back so that it will match with their plans over Untold the Yahoo. Now, I want to challenge the people of Ala Igbo for them to go anywhere they want to go and confirm this. My name is Fambo Ifeanyichukwu Okorienta Eze. Journey through the traditional, journey through ordinary Igbo. When I know this my name, John Ese Ofuma. Whether Muabu Ifeanyichukwu Okorienta Eze, and where can see where near any of my men order, Je wa anybody lizog, Je wa boro innocent people lizog. Je gboro anybody lizog. Ma enwe kam si we kpa nkata. Enwe kam si we dupu anybody. Je gboro anybody lizog. Uno jochaze there say. Can happily deceive and then deceive. Because the enemies, the bad ones, the wicked ones, the politicians, the evil politicians in Ala Igbo, I hope that an opportunity have called for them to probe Untold, to tide their atrocities. Let me see Untold the Yahoo. Now they have went and bring up a voice I recorded during the time Ala Igbo through Okiso fire. Hajeleje bulleted the voice I put to my son during Okiso fire with his men. We are fighting me without done anything to them. I put the voice. Follow this place and attack them over that place. The same way they kill my own people, my own men, being Sonny. They kill my guy at what is that? Nkwachi. They kill my men at Nkwachi. They kill one of my guy at Nkwachi. Then I plan to go and attack them. But later on I see that killing the innocent, killing the civilian can never dish me out something. It can never give me anything. I later ordered my men for them to retrieve back. Now all those areas I mentioned the name I mentioned. Is there any event? Is there anything that happens over that place? Is a question. Then how does it be that something happens towards this area? A voice I put to my men since last 2 years, they now revise the voice back. just to make sure that they are still deceiving the people of Arondi Zog. Just to make sure that they are still deceiving my own people, my in-laws. Mua ujan to ye bilito na mnoketa ejem nyoda say baboro innocent people. God forbid bad thing. I can never try it in my life. People that I am protecting, people that I am fighting for. That is why I come up today, being Thursday, 31st, to make it clear to the understanding of my people and to the hearers of my people, for them to hear and understand. For all these evil ones pushing my in-laws, being around this Zogo, for them to understand where these people are going to. Oki Sophia, we came back. Oki Sophia, I believe around this Zogo, you pay unuwere abara. Oki Sophia deny this thing, but on Oki Sophia jela abara. Oki Sophia swear lawyer dendo. Unamarat na hinilem na gunu okuashe. Oki Sophia called me and the Zuma the Rock and told the Zuma the Rock that we should not mind the video that he has been doing in the Obletiti, that he wants to use this video to collect money from Arondi Zog, which all these things are politically nkemua ujentola no gelahola politics. Anything in Gurageba, Jebaya Nafa, Jedress anywhere. Jebaya Nafa, Jedress anywhere. Oki Sophia told us that we are together without knowing that Oki Sophia is there deceiving the people of Arondi Zog, without knowing that Oki Sophia is there collecting money from Arondi Zog, without knowing that Oki Sophia is there fighting against his own people. Oki Sophia, you said that I am a small boy. I have forgotten all the things that you have said. Oki Sophia, you are my boy. You were my boy. Oki Sophia, bullet mbo kineje buterai. But obagoju manya, mana bear it in mind that Nigerian government, all these politicians that are using you, tomorrow they must dump you. Understand? All the whole money you collected from Arondi Zog, all the games that you people have been playing with the Chinas and Woru, I believe Chukwu Kabiama that only but one day, all these things, all the things that you people, all the atrocities, all the evil that you people have been committing in Biafra land, calling us all sorts of names, calling us criminals, kidnappers, and all that. I believe that the truth must surely comes out one day. It's a very painful something that innocent people were massacred at Arondi Zog unnecessarily. God must intervene and God must expose all the people that behind all these things. God must expose all the politicians that behind all these games. Arondi Zog, I must make it clearly to you people. Ndia nemi here, bachanya, we nemi here. The reason of them doing all these things, listen to me now. They will kill people, they will behead people, they will come out, they will be calling out on this Ogo. Let us contribute money, contribute money, contribute money. We will call army, we will call army, we will call army, we will fight these people, we will fight these people. After contributing the money, they will now share the money, put it inside their pockets. They will now carry soldier and also fight for your own people. Destroy your own people. After destroying the people, the soldiers will now go. The Fulani in uniform will now leave. Ojugi Manya, but I am out today to debunk all this nonsense once and for all. Banafa, Jan anywhere, Jan any abara. When my name, if I chuku Okorienteze, that is my full name. Janu Jaba anywhere only Yabafa, with this name I gave to you people. Maka Gento, Aka Ifa Chuko Correntes, aka Gento the Yahoo. Obuanye Mwenola Toyoto, Adame Bomunam, Adamacho Munam. I am only after my enemies, the enemies of Biafra, the enemies of the land, the enemies of Biafra land. And now they have seen what has been going on now. Any place in Torega today, there I will go. They are still searching for Gento at Okigwa. Tomorrow they will hear about me in Abakaleke. From Abakaleke to Anambra. I am going there. I am going there. Right round I'm going. I am not afraid of any man. And I can never be afraid of any man that can kill only this flesh. That can never touch my soul. I am only afraid of him that can kill the flesh and also have the soul. And secondly, I can only be afraid of the gods of the land, Muala Biafra. For me to be afraid of any man in this earth, they never born that man, they never born that person for life. They never born him. So please and please, Ndogom Izog, Unekwezileka, all these enemies, let deceive un. Unekwezileka, all these enemies, let deceive un. Unekwezileka, all these idiotic human beings, let Yegun. Unekwezileka, ndị a feeling how and Izog all alone. Now when anybody get Ala Izog, let deceive un. Come on, Obacha Abokwanomba, come on, all your jidder. Or that is the only thing that makes me to come up today, being Thursday, 31st of September 2025, 31st of July 2025, if I am to mistaken. Please and please, I love my people, and I am fighting this fight for my people. I brought my life out for my people. I put my life for my people. I am endangering my life for my people. How can I come up and the people that I am defending, the people that I am protecting, I will now be turning around them, turning around killing them? For what reason? Chineke bileligwe noya akam docha. Gani anywhere unu chori je wega, but anybody wa were aham jela agbara la jugese my head ota always yoku you in a mo gi hika okpukpo ge kpochapu family gi okpukpo ge mmụọ Biafra yemepe ọnụ lomila ola hunu ha wela achụ nwa nke mmadụ lenwego onye omejọ na mpụtara ịlụ ọgụ si no, these atrocities, this evil, this calamity, this Fulani caliphate, this Fulani jihadis, this Fulani invaders, that enough is enough in Biafra land. That is why they are fighting me through and nail, and that is why they have been using my people against me, just to assassinate me, just to humiliate me and my people. It can never work and it can never happen. Thank God my life is not in the hand of you people. My life is in the hand of Chukwu Kabiam. It's in the hand of Chukwu Kabiam. So please and please, join us on Fuma before Nana may here. The voice has been trending all over the area, all over the world. It has been trending because of voice in Janto. It made it clearly. Thank God it has no date. The voice, I dropped it, and I said yes, I dropped the voice. The voice was dropped since last year during the time that my man has a problem in Arondi Zog. During that time, they bring one of my men down. That was when I dropped that voice. Manabi ambetole chani anun perikoma kwa nwanne nwoke kwa nna muku. Osi nya welire egbe ka agba nwanne na obi nwanne me ya. Nya welie mma ka agbo nwanne ya obi nwanne me ya. I just look around, think around, move around, check around. I said no. Man, come back. Let us forget about it. Kachineke weraka ya lora anyog. Now, this incident has happened. Ejepolia ya ko nwikela atoto ka aha nwikela akwa everywhere ka nwike ya kwanda sia na alo ogu Biafra. That is the reason why I came up today to debunk it, that I did not do such a thing, and I can never engage myself in a thing like that. Bwana afebolu na agbafa John ese Ifeanyi Chukwu Okorienta eze. That is my name. God bless the people of Israel. God bless Biafra land. God bless all of us of freedom all over the continent. God bless everyone. God bless all supporters of Biafrans all over the world. Thank you and God bless.